Mastering the future tense, passive voice with may. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. In today's video, we'll delve into the topic of passive voice with may in the future tense. This may seem a bit tricky at first, but with some examples and practice, it will surely become second nature to you. To refresh, the passive voice with may shows a possibility or probability of an action that's being done to the subject, instead of the subject doing the action. For example, the report may be published by John. Here, the report is the subject, and it's possibly being acted upon by John. Now, when we talk about the future tense, we're referring to an action that will happen later. Typically, we use will to denote the future, but we can use may to show that there's a possibility of something happening in the future. For instance, he may visit his parents next week. Let's get into the meat of the topic, combining the future tense and the passive voice with may. When we do this, we're discussing an action that may possibly occur in the future, and it's being done to the subject, not by the subject. Consider this example. The house may be painted by her next month. Here, the action of painting could possibly happen in the future, and it's being done to the house by her. Let's look at a few more examples to make this clearer. The bill may be paid by them tomorrow. The dog may be walked by the neighbors this weekend. Remember, the structure to follow is subject plus may plus be plus past participle plus by plus agent plus future time. Alright, that brings us to the end of this video on using may in the passive voice for the future tense. I hope this has been a useful and clear guide for you. Remember to practice creating your own sentences following this structure. And as always, keep practicing and your English skills will continue to improve. Until next time, happy learning!